So what I'm going to show you today is how to get your drawing to the styrofoam and your drawing to the linoleum butter block. So I'm going to start with the styrofoam. I have my drawing. I've gotten 2 pieces of the yellow tape that you can get from me. I'm just doing a small drawing as an example. I'm going to tape that down. Then with my pencil, I am going to trace over my lines on an angle, facing down. I don't want to go straight up and down. I should hear it carving just a little. It's kind of making an indent. You might have to go over it more than once. Again. If your paper rips a little, it might happen. That's okay. I can make a photocopy of it if you need to retrace. Okay, you see I'm doing the lines. I can add details to it after I'm done carving. I can carve deeper. I can carve lines thicker, keep some thin. So here we go. Then I'm going to carefully take it off of the styrofoam. Might be hard in the video to see, but you can see from some angles my drawing kind of pressed into that. Then from there, I'm going to start carving my lines deeper. I'll do a few and then put it at the camera so you can see. I used all pencil. You can use a pen. I think pencil works the best. You can also use the styrofoam. So if I wanted to carve in all of the heart, so the heart's pressed down, so that's not going to get any ink. I can use the popsicle stick. You can see the way that I'm doing it. I don't want it raised at all. And there you can see that I've carved that. Next, I have my drawing. I've pressed down pretty hard on the drawing so it's a nice dark pencil line. A mechanical pencil will not work. Then I'm going to put it down, upside down, drawing down. I'm going to get my tape. I'm going to tape my drawing upside down to the butter block. I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to use it kind of more like on the side, more like a knife. And I'm going to shade the back. Now, if you can cut your design out so it fits the block a little bit better. Again, I'm doing it on an angle like this so you can see it. Show you what it looks like from this angle. Might have to sharpen your pencil after or before this. I always like to peek to see if I did it and press down hard enough. So a little peek. Boop. It's worked. I'm going to take that off. And there is my design transferred. Now I can decide. I'm going to carve out all the middle of the heart. So I'm actually going to shade that with my pencil. I'm going to carve all of the background. So I'm going to shade the area that I need to do that. I'm going to do a little bit around like that. Remember, I can use the scissors to cut out some of my background. And then I can get my carving tools. I can start with a hook. I can start with a very small gouge if I want to do the outlines. And then a bigger gouge to do all this big stuff in the outside and maybe in the middle. So there's my design, and I would start carving.